Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix OneNote sync error. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To resolve sync errors in OneNote and Windows 11, you can try several troubleshooting steps. Here's a guide to help you fix sync errors. Firstly, ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Verify that you have a stable and active internet connection. Next method, close the OneNote app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes restarting the app can resolve sync issues. Another method, visit the Microsoft Office service status to check if there are any reported issues with OneNote services. If there are known issues, you might need to wait until they are resolved. Make sure you have the latest version of OneNote installed on your Windows 11 PC. Check for updates in the Microsoft Store. Uninstall any available updates for the app. Next method, restart your Windows 11 device to refresh its system processes and network connections. This can sometimes resolve sync errors. Another method, sign out your Microsoft account in OneNote and then sign back in. This can re-establish the connection between your device and Microsoft servers. Next method, ensure that you have enough storage space available on your device and on OneDrive if you're syncing your notes to OneDrive. Lack of storage space can sometimes cause sync errors. Another method, if you have Microsoft Office installed on your PC, you can try repairing the installation. To do this, go to Settings, then Apps Installed. Then click on the three dots, then click Modify, then hit Repair. And lastly, if none of the above steps resolve the sync error, you might need to contact Microsoft Support for further assistance. They can provide more advanced troubleshooting steps tailored to your specific issue. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.